Ahoy and welcome to Pier 69. Welcome to evening. I'm Chris Cashman. Happy to have you along for our Best Northwest Escapes Reveal Week. We're celebrating the best your picks. We'll start right here to my starboard side. Your pick for best boat tour, FRS Clipper. The Victoria Clipper takes off daily for Victoria, BC. The new Emerald Clipper is the only whale watching tour that operates out of Seattle this summer. They're doing 2 tours a day. Captain, congratulations.
Yeah, I'd like to express our thanks and gratitude to all those that voted us best boat tour. It's fantastic. Also, all the people that have joined us over the years for our trips up to Victoria and out on the sea here for whale watching, sharing their memories and experience with us. We all love doing it, and we're glad to have them along.
For people who haven't experienced the journey, what makes these boats unique?
Well, they're fast, stable, beautiful, and also the places we go, Victoria, what a great destination, and also you get to see the entire Salish Sea, 72 miles from here up to Vancouver Island.
And now people are rather excited about this whale watching.
Yes, well, besides our brand new beautiful boat, we are the only whale watching tour departing right from downtown Seattle.